Welcome back to Set Streets and Eats, guys. I'm Chris Bauer. I'm starting the video off a little bit different than I normally do. In this video, you're going to see me visit the Rainforest Cafe pop-up on top of the Empire State Building, which was pretty awesome. But I'm coming to you at the start of the video this way because I got into a little bit of a rush to get into New York from New Jersey and forgot a key component to my camera. So I ended up having to shoot the episode on my phone, which, by the way, my phone was rapidly going dead. It was a folly of errors that morning. And I was very nervous that I was going to miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This pop-up only lasted for 3 days, and I only had a ticket for the one day, the first day of it. So it's a little nerve-wracking. Ended up shooting the whole thing on my phone, and never did get a good intro done. So that's what this is. So just to remind you guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, share my videos. Truly appreciate it. And I think you guys are really gonna like this this visit, this pop-up. It was just a really cool idea that they did, and I was just really fortunate that it started the day I was near New York traveling, that I could, get in there and see it. So anyway, without further ado, I hope you enjoy the Rainforest Cafe pop-up, or I guess Rainforest pop-up cafe on the Empire State Building. And let's go see it. So this pop-up is only from October 3rd to 6th. It is only on the top of the Empire State Building. It's pretty cool. It's all based on this April Fool's joke from earlier this year that they were opening a rainforest on the Empire State Building. Everybody shared it. Everybody got into it. It was a big joke. It was fun. And then they were like, wait a minute. How hard would this be to make this a reality? So that's what they did. And it's pretty cool. So we're gonna go check it out. I'm excited to see it. I got my wife Shannon with me. She's excited. She's never been to New York. And this is my second time on the Empire State Building, or in the Empire State Building. First time was about a little over 10 years ago. I think I was here in 2013. And yeah, it was a pretty cool experience. I came at night. It was pretty awesome. So yeah, I'm looking forward to being up there during the daytime and seeing both the 86th and the 102nd floor, hopefully. So hopefully you guys enjoy it too. Stuff you walk through is museum and different photo ops. Pretty interesting. Last time I was here is 2013. They didn't have a lot of this then. It was basically you just came in, got queued up in a line. So it's definitely been pretty cool. ton of movies.
That's where we go. A great ship that will take us across the ocean. Brilliant.
It's pretty cool.
There's no plastic.
Pretty much a dedicated King Kong hallway. As they should.
Welcome to the world's most famous building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets fly through the air? Nice catch, Lou! Get those planks out of the way, huh?
Just like Disney.
Hey, watch it! We're coming up here!
Oh, my ears just popped. Mine did too. I had to swallow.
Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will ya? All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. We're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
80th or 86th?
80th. Buildings. You can see the Manhattan Bridge and then the Brooklyn Bridge off in the distance there. Right out there. It's pretty amazing. World Trade Center 1, of course, is the tall one. Lower Manhattan. Check it out, guys. The Rainforest pop-up on top of the Empire State Building. Well, we definitely have the soundtrack I'm hearing. Oh yeah, let's get a table. Yeah, grab a table right here. Get that tiger seat.
I'm going to. Look like I have a tiger boot.
All right, we ordered food. We got 3 different things
Here's
here.
how it's served.
Got the Rasta pasta, which is a cold pasta dish. Everything's served cold, by the way. Then we have the volcano cupcake, which is kind of like their volcano cake. And then I got a turkey wrap with some other toppings on it. Looks interesting. And of course, we had to get a cup. As you guys know, I'm always trying to get the cups from the Rainforest Cafes. I am bummed this does not say either New York or Empire State Building. They do have t-shirts that say it, and they're going to have water bottles, but the water bottles are not here yet. So we may be just getting a t-shirt today, we'll see. But we do get to sit in their classic animal bottom seats. How's that Rasta pasta with the view of New York over your shoulder?
It's actually really delicious.
I mean, you can't expect a lot from like a big restaurant, especially for a 3-day pop-up. Especially since the fact that they're doing this on top of the world, on top of New York. So it's pretty cool. It's really good. Oh yeah. And of course, 1994, they're celebrating their 30th year. 1994, opening in the Mall of America was the first location. Going in on the wrap. Tastes good. So they do have these stickers when you buy some of the food or merchandise that say the Empire State. Big stickers, about the size of their cupcake. This, of course, is a chocolate piece on top of a chocolate on chocolate cupcake. So we have a walking repeat. Now they do have their animatronics up here. These are obviously not it. These are just some of their set decor. But the animatronics are, unfortunately. But this is the set repeat here. Ooh. They've got some of their different things set up for photo ops. Oh, that's cool. That we could probably get. And then we've got another photo op with their actual animatronic gorilla and some more of their decor. So to celebrate the event, they have some free chocolate-covered strawberries. And here's one of the characters. I'm going to grab this little devil, the lion. Chamonix's going to have a bite of it.
Oh, it's so cute.
Maybe.
That's adorable.
That is adorable. Is that chocolate?
White chocolate.
I'm going to eat the 30th anniversary.
White chocolate as well.
White chocolate with chocolate frosting on it.
Why did you blow on it like it was hot?
I was sucking.
No, you went.
I went.
Oh.
I actually like that coating. Lion's Head's white chocolate. And then we got a little chocolate cake with, looks like candy rocks. Like a brownie.
Yeah.
It'd be cool if he was doing his motions, but he's still there. And he's got a sign. This stuff. Got plenty of plush of Cha-Cha. And then, of course, I have all the other characters of the Wild Pack.
Want to borrow the green shirt and the kid shirt again?
The hats are pretty cool, but they just say Rainforest. And they got cool t-shirts. They do have the jean shirts that say them as well. That's pretty neat. And of course, the coolest part. This Cha-Cha comes in from outside. Oh, excuse me, sorry about that. Pretty cool spot for a pop-up. I'm gonna go up to the 102nd floor. Shannon does not like heights, so she's gonna go downstairs. This is the 102nd floor, overlooking 20 floors up from 86. There's really no point up here if you can't see from up here, honestly. In Jersey. Pretty crazy. You get the Statue of Liberty way out there. Right there. I'll let that focus in. Coney Island's way over there. Crazy. Unlike the 86th floor, which is outside, you can feel the wind. This is definitely enclosed. I think it's the windows to blow you out of here, probably. I don't know. I could be making that up. It's pretty awesome though. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Rainforest pop-up on top of the Empire State Building. I thought it was pretty cool. Small, only 3 days, of course, but very small, very cool, and I think it's a great venue for it. King Kong, they're so known for apes and animatronics or whatever, and King Kong is known for taking over the Empire State Building, so I think it all works really well here. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, sorry for shooting this on my phone the whole time. But, you know, these things happen. Anywho, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you at the next Rainforest and at the next video. Bye now. From New York.